Good morning. Time for me to do another session on my treadmill. I do want to reach out and thank Red Liro, who sent this treadmill to me to give me an opportunity to stay healthy, because that's really what our channel is all about. My channel is about frugal living, prepping, saving money, being healthy. And as I've said many times, if you stay healthy, you ain't got to get healthy. So they sent the treadmill. They want an honest observation. I use the darn thing almost every other day and have dropped some inches, dropped some weight, but it's all about staying healthy as well. So let me get on the mill. And the description is down below in my video. Please take a look, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so, and you can order one of these and receive a discount. The link is down below. But let's get on here. So I'm really fortunate as a senior citizen at 69 years of age that I do not take any medications. I'm very, very happy about that. And the reality of it is, as we get older and we age, longevity is not our friend. We don't have as many years ahead of us as we have behind us. So staying active, staying healthy, and eating properly is really a must in your daily life. I've always exercised since I was 30 up until about the age of 55. I was at the gym 5 days a week. Now, I've given up my gym membership as I've aged because I think a lot of folks, and some on fixed incomes, they give up luxuries, and one of the luxuries are going to the gym. But then you got to get dressed and you got to drive. For some people, it's a social outing. For some people, it's just not fun. I find walking is the best exercise for you if you're a senior citizen. So I encourage you to get up and walk. Whether you have a treadmill, whether you have around your apartment complex, around your home, the point is get up, get active. Because again, I'm going to say it, if you stay healthy, you ain't got to get healthy. And by subscribing to my channel and watching, you know that I'm all about frugality, being frugal, saving that money for the important things in life. And again, I take no medications. I have no health issues. One lung. That's it. So I breathe a little differently. But it's important that I and Kevin, who you see in a snippet here in the video, the display panels here, you have stop, which is done now, and start. So when you're ready to go, you just push start. Your speed, it'll start moving. Then you increase your speed one increment at a time, the belt will go faster. And then if you want to slow it down, you go here to speed, hit it, slow it down. You can raise it to where you're walking upward, go forward, and stop it here, or pull this key out real quick. It's got a safety key and a stop button. Okay? Isn't that nice? And I'll read the rest of it another time.
Yeah, to put on your
does.
clothes.
Put on your clothes. It's got a little thing here for the bottle of water. And you also have the speed button right here. So you can turn it on. You can also use speed here. So if you watch the screen, it'll increase it. It'll slow it down. You can get right there also. Isn't that nice? And a start and stop button here also.
And now turn that.
Yep. Perfect. Also gets on the treadmill and keeps active. So I invite you to come along on our journey of our channel. Engage with us. Let us know what you do for health, fitness, wellness. And if we can encourage one another to stay engaged with each other, continue on this journey of healthy eating, prepping your food so you're not caught off guard with prices increasing, and walk your way to success with food cost, budgeting, being frugal, being aware, because I also say As you've heard many times, awareness is preparedness. And if you stay prepared, you're aware that you're in control of everything. You're in control of your life and your health. So get on board. Let's run into the future of 2026 with health, wellness. redliteral.com. Thank you. Love the treadmill. Who knew with one lung a person can still be active? But you can. All right, let's get this opened up. Now, all good workout equipment, including treadmills, should have a safety key. And that's what this is for here. You're going to plug your safety key in, and this you're going to clip to yourself somewhere. So if you need to pull this, it stops the treadmill. So make sure you get that plugged in where it belongs, right there. I also like the fact that this treadmill is on wheels, so I can turn it and move it wherever I want to. Now, I'm going to always use mine in the garage. It's a perfect spot. I can look outdoors, and you've got a nice convenient cord to plug in right down here with an on and off switch. So let's get that plugged in. So you can turn on your display to where you can preset speeds. You can do a sleep mode. You can check your body BWD, the speed mode, whatever you want. So you have a stop button, you have a start button, and a speed button. So you can press your speed button and the treadmill starts to move. You can increase the speed by pushing the buttons and speeding it up, as you see there. Slow it down there. And it all displays. So that's something you play with as you're working out on your treadmill. You know, I've used a few mantras in my life. And one that I also use quite a bit is this: if you stay healthy, you ain't got to get healthy. So running on the treadmill works out really good for me on days when it's really hot here in the desert, Southwest. The sun is so brutal, I can't get out there. And walking the mall is something we don't like to do too much to get out of the heat. So having this treadmill right here in the garage on a day like today, just perfect. I can get out here and exercise. I can run at 69 years of age with one lung. So staying healthy has always been a part of my life. And I used to run marathons. So come along with me. Stay healthy, stay fit, and don't forget, our frugal lifestyle of eating healthy. Preparedness is awareness, and taking care of you is important. Let's see what other creative things we can do today. Nice. So thanks for coming along. Again, check out Red Lero on YouTube. Check them out on the link below. Order yours. Stay fit. Continue to subscribe to my channel. And let's do this together. Thanks for coming along. Till next time. Ciao. No apologies. You do you, boo.